How to enable or disable camera watermarks on your Android phone. Here's how. Open the Camera app. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Scroll through the settings and tap Watermark. Here, you'll see three watermark options. To add the date and time to your photos, turn on the toggle next to Add Timestamp on Photos. Turn the toggle off if you don't want the date and time to appear. To show your phone model on your photos, turn on the toggle next to Device Watermark. Turn it off if you don't want the device watermark. If Device Watermark is enabled, the Custom Watermark option becomes available. Tap Custom Watermark to enter your own text, then save it. Your custom text will appear as the watermark on future photos. That's it! You've successfully enabled or disabled camera watermarks on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.